I am here to present to you or to discuss a parts and function of an engine. This is the parts and function of an engine. That is the part. First, this is the distributor. A distributor is an enclosed rotating shaft used in spark ignition internal combustion engine that have mechanically timed ignition. The distributor main function is to route secondary or high voltage current from the ignition coil to the spark plugs in the correct figuring order and for the correct amount of time. And this is the distributor O-ring. The distributor O-ring is simply seals the distributor housing with the engine to prevent oil leaks at the base of a distributor. When the O-rings fails to cause oil leaks from the base of the distributor, which can lead to other problems. And this is the exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold is the first part of a vehicle's exhaust system. It is connected to your vehicle's engine and collects your engine emissions. Basically, the exhaust manifold acts as a funnel and it's used to collect all the engine's emissions from however many cylinders our vehicles has. So, this is the exhaust manifold gasket. The exhaust manifold gasket, as mentioned as a gasket, connects the manifold to the cylinder head. In turns, this allows the manifold itself to collect the waste gases and redirect them to the exhaust pipe, while simultaneously pulling in new air into the vacuum that created by the existing gas. This is the cylinder head. This cylinder head is to carry the controlling air flow and out of the cylinder and fuel deployment. The cylinder head is also hold the injectors and valves and contains more moving parts than any part of the engine, although largely unnoticed. The cylinder head plays a key. This is the head gasket. In an internal combustion engine, a head gasket provides the sail between the engine block and cylinder head. Its purpose to sail the combustion gases within the cylinder and to avoid coolant or engine oil leaking into the cylinders. Leaks in the head gasket can cause poor engine running and or overheating. So, this is an engine block. The purpose of the engine block is to support the components of the engine. Additionally, the engine block transfers heat from friction to the atmosphere and engine coolant. The material selected for the engine block is either gray, cast iron, or aluminum or alloy. So this is oil pump. The oil pump's purpose to catch the oil from where it connects to the engine block. So this little circle drain bolt crush washer. Magnetic oil pump drain bolt is to help keep harmful metal shaving out of your engine. So this is oil pan gasket. The oil pan gasket itself sails the oil pan to the bottom of the engine block and prevents oil from leaking as it moves from the pan to the engine and block and it back. Because oil is constantly flowing, the vehicle is impervious to oil leaks though. So this is the timing belt drive pulley. The timing belt pulley, a timing belt pulley is part of a timing belt system for an automobile. A timing belt is one way to control the opening and closing of engine valves by connecting the crankshaft to the camshaft of the vehicle. That is timing belt pulley. So this is the oil filter, this part. An oil filter is a filter designed to remove contaminant from engine oil, transmission oil, lubricating oil, or hydraulic oil. This oil industry itself employs filter for oil production oil. That is the oil filter. This is an cylinder head gasket, and this is a cylinder head cover. A cylinder head cover and many modern four-stroke engine, the cylinder head cover houses the upper actuation element of an engine control unit as well as the valves in the crankcase, ventilation with all the peripheral devices. Additionally, it protects the engine from dirt or another foreign object. That is cylinder head cover. This is an intake manifold and intake manifold gasket. The intake manifold gasket seals of the small gap between the manifold and the engine preventing air, coolant, and oil from leaking. Over time, the intake manifold gasket endures a lot of wear and tear. Eventually, it may crack or rot in ways that allow leaks to occur. So thank you for listening my discussion as a automotive student. So this is a part of an engine. Thank you.